Okay, hello everyone. You're welcome again to our online classes. Don't forget, this is Glitz Academy, and I hope you enjoy it. Today we'll be talking about lowest common multiple. And as we all know, the, the word lowest, the statement lowest common multiple is often referred to as LCM. Okay? And L we know stands for what? Lowest. Okay? C stands for common and M stands for multiple. In any mathematical equation that you are asked to find the lowest common multiple, one of the things you have to take note of is that there is a systematic way, a step-by-step method of finding the lowest common multiple of a set of number. So for example, we will start with using one number. If you are asked to find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 4, or let's do this. If you are asked to find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 4, what are you expected to do? You quickly write out your solution. The first thing you do is learn to find the multiples of the numbers. Now, what are multiples? Multiple is the order of multiplication for a particular number. Okay? So, what is the product of 2 when it is being multiplied across numbers sequentially? For example, we have 2 times 1, the product is 2. Okay, we have 2 times 2, the product is 4. We have 2 times 3, the product is 6. What do we refer to as product? Product is the outcome of multiplying one number with the other. So what are the products of 2 if you multiply it across the series of numbers we have ranging from 1 to infinity? So we have 2 times 1, here we have 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 6, 12, 2 times 7, 14, 2 times 8, 16, 2 times 9, 18, 2 times 10, 20, till infinity. Okay, that is to say you can do it as long as 2 times 100, 2 times a million, and all of that. Okay, then you bring down the second number, which is 4. Our second number, please pardon me, trying to make it as bold as I can. 4. So we go across the series finding the products of 4 by its multiple. Having 4 times 1, we have 4. 4 times 2, we have 8. 4 times 3, we have 12. 4 times 4, we have 16. 4 times 5, we have 20. 4 times 6, we have 24. 4 times 7, we have 28. 4 times 8, we have 32. 4 times 9, we have 36. 4 times 10, we have 40 till infinity. Now with this, we've been able to find the multiples of 4 and of 6. So for example, I want us to take note that in finding the lowest common multiple, you find it from descending order of the later add the letter LCM to ascending order. That is, we go this way. First, we find the multiple. Second, we find the common multiple. Third, we find the lowest common multiple. So we've succeeded in finding the multiple. That is to say, we succeeded in finding the multiple of 4 and 2. The next step we are taking is that we are going to look for the common multiple of 4 and 2. What do we mean by common multiple? Common multiple is simply the multiples that exist both in the products of 2 and also in the products of 4. So for example, what can you see in the product of 2 and you can also see in the product of 4 is referred to as a multiple that is common between 2 and 4. So, for example, we can see 2 here, but we can't see 2 here, so it's not common. 2 is not common for the both multiples. We can see 4 here and we can see 4 here, so we circle 4 and then we circle 4. So, common multiple of 2 and 4 is equal to, we've discovered 4, so we write 4 here. That's 1. We have 6 here, we don't have 6 here. We have 8 here and we have 8 here, so we circle 8 and we circle 8 and we write 8 down here and then comma. Okay, we have 10 here, we don't have 10 here. We have 12 here, we have 12 here, so we circle 12 and we circle 12, so we have 12 comma. Then we have 14 here, we don't have 14 here. We have 16 here, we have 16 here, so we circle 16 and then 16 and then we have 16 here. We are bringing out the common multiples. We have 18 here, we don't have 18 here. We have 20 here and we have 20 here. So we have 20, 20, and then we'll bring out the 20 till infinity. That is to say, if we continue this sequence, you are going to discover more common multiples. Okay, now we found the common multiples of 2 and 4 to be 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. How do we now know the lowest of them all? Now, the lowest common multiple is the lowest of this sequence of number, which LCM, meaning lowest common multiple. What is the lowest here? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. The lowest is 4. So our LCM is 4. That is just the basic principle behind finding LCM. Now, in our next lesson, we are going to treat how to find LCM using larger numbers, because when you use this method for large numbers, you find out that the infinity before you can arrive at the lowest common multiple will be too long for you to achieve that. So I'll teach you other methods using division and a few other methods that we can use in finding LCM. Please stay with us on our next lesson. Thank you very much. This is Glitz Academy.